Hello people, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making egg fried rice. I will be slicing 3 sausages into cubes and 3 medium carrots. After slicing, set aside. Now let's boil the peas and carrots. I'm boiling the peas and carrot with hot water and mine boiled for 5 minutes. Here I have already boiled rice. I'll use my hand to remove the lumps. The rice should be single. I would have preferred to use basmati rice, but I don't have basmati rice, so I use the one I have at home. And we set the rice aside and we'll be breaking our eggs. I'll be using 5 eggs. If you want, you can use more eggs. And we carefully remove the yolk. Now set the white egg aside. Mix the yolk with the rice. Mix thoroughly together. Add 1 tablespoon of butter or oil in your pan and pour in the egg white. Keep stirring. Keep stirring till form. Pour in our rice. I have sliced onions. I went in with my peas, carrot. I'm using 1 cup of peas, 1 cup of corn. Stir it together and we go in with our sausage. This is where we put our ingredients. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording. This is the seasoning powder I use. I'm very sorry for that, but I've already put 1 teaspoon of seasoning powder and 1 seasoning cube, half teaspoon of curry, half teaspoon of thyme, and half teaspoon of salt. After 5 minutes of frying, I went in with my rice. We mix thoroughly. And I mix together. That is it. It's ready. This is a very quick, short video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much for watching.